Hey guys, so as some of you might have noticed, if you are on an SSL site, then you might see this, where add HTML content doesn't actually have any controls. And so this is originally caused because the editor that was chosen for 1.0 changed some of their stuff and no longer supports SSL content. It's because they're charging for the other version and whatnot. So, anyways, that is why. It's an easy fix. All we have to do is come over here to this little shield. So the page is trying to load scripts from unauthenticated sources. So all you do is you just click there. You see this load unsafe scripts button. You click that. All of a sudden, you are now going to see this is no longer a secure page. Now, if we go to the actual website, you'll see that the website itself is still secure. So that is not affecting the security of your website at all. However, this page is temporarily loading unsafe scripts, which means that you can actually see this. Now, the reason to see this is important is because if you just have the blank white area, then none of the content that you put in here is actually going to show up on the page when you run Directory Creator. So in order to go ahead and go up to that shield, click Load Unsafe Scripts, and temporarily have it as unsafe, then what that does is that allows Directory Creator to actually see the content that you're inputting, and it'll go ahead and input that into that page. So now you're able to add content as normal, run Directory Creator as normal without any issues. Just to let you guys know, 2.0 has this problem solved. We're using the built-in WordPress editor, so that's never going to be an issue in the future. So as you guys are currently using 1.0, I just wanted to let you know how to go ahead and solve that issue, as it has been brought up a couple of times. As Google is pushing everybody to go ahead and use sites with SSL, it's starting to become a more common theme. So I just wanted to give you guys a shout out and let you guys know how exactly to use Directory Creator with SSL sites and be able to run all of your content. Thanks so much.